So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another video of me unboxing a fresh pair of sneakers that I got my hands on. So this time is none other than a fresh pair from Adidas, and I'll just take a thumbnail. Yeah guys, starting off with the box, I'm very satisfied this time because the box is intact. Because usually most of you will know, probably when you get your order delivered, most of the time the box will be either damaged or crushed. Anyways, let's dive into the sneaker and get a bit of drum roll. And here is it, guys. Yes, it's a very funky looking sneaker from Adidas, and here's both the pairs. So this is how the sneaker looks like, and let's start from the right here. So guys, as you can see, the style you have is very unique, the design and everything. And when you want to know the price, the MRP is priced at around 6,999. Focus. So it's priced at 6,999. If you want to know the real price, guys, how much did I purchase this from, you can comment down below. I'll share you the details from where you can purchase and the discounted price and so on. So yeah guys, and here is the close-up look, and this is how the sneaker looks like up close. I'll just rotate it so that you can get a better 360 view. Focus. Okay, here is the shoe. And yeah guys, talking about the branding, you have the branding on the back of the shoe. You got the Adidas logo on the sole as well, inside of the sole. And you have a branding out here on the tongue, Adidas. On the bottom as well of the sole, you can see the Adidas branding out here as well. And yeah guys, and when you the color combination used to cover this shoe, they have used a bright blue color. They have used a cream color out here and a little bit of chocolatey color thing going on out here. You have the Adidas logo out here, and you get the reflector as well. Probably when you wear it, you will get to know if any reflection come across this shoe. It's kind of a bounce back and get that really shiny look of it. Probably it's a little bit visible on the camera as well. And you have the black thing going on as well. The sole of this thing is really nice. I've worn it for around a couple of minutes and it's really comfortable. You can wear this for your jogging. You can wear it with your casuals. It will really enhance your look. And yeah guys, it's a very funky looking pair that I got my hands on this time, and it's really comfortable, I will say. This is both the pair, guys, and let me know in the comment, guys, how do you feel it if you're gonna purchase. Let me know in the comment. I'll definitely share the link to you guys. And yeah guys, that is very much it. Let me know in the comment how do you like this shoe and if you're gonna purchase it. One last look, and yeah guys, so that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Bye guys, love you all, God bless.